Are your kids full of energy this summer? Do you want a way to exhaust them so you can rest? Backyard splash pads are the perfect solution. Today, we review the 3 best splash pads on Amazon. First is the WISTOP non-slip splash pad. It has a special textured surface to prevent slipping. This pad is thick and highly durable. It is tough enough for both kids and dogs. No more worrying about dog paws popping the plastic. Second is the Jasonwell Splash Pad Sprinkler. This is a classic and affordable favorite. It is incredibly easy to set up in your yard. Just connect your garden hose to start the fun. You can easily adjust the water pressure for higher sprays. Third is the SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad. This is perfect for toddlers and babies. It combines a pool, a sprinkler, and a learning mat. The bottom has cute letters, numbers, and animals. Your little one can learn while staying cool. As a bonus, check out self-sealing water balloons. They fill up in seconds for instant water fights. All these toys will keep your backyard active and fun. Which one is your favorite? Check out our blog for the full reviews and buying links. Stay cool and have a wonderful summer.